Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kakenya again, and today you can see that we are in a different location, a bit far from the highway, right there where you can see cars passing so fast. Yeah, that's the Thika super highway here in Kiambu. So I didn't tell you much about myself, and one thing I would like to say today is that I love places where there is just nature, like trees, plants, rivers flowing, birds and all that. It's so peaceful. There is a certain feeling that you have that's very peaceful. And today I'm also taking you to a different place. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to access that river, but let me show you this. This is a pipe coming from down there in the river, coming all the way up, going this way. It's going up. I can't see the end, but it's irrigating these farms. There are also farms around here. Some people up there planting. We also have others taking care of their livestock. Yeah, those are sheep and goats. Another woman here is planting. So let's go and see where we get to today. Yeah, it's a hot day, though still there is a little bit of clouds indicating that we might get some rain today. As I told you, that's how in Africa we know the weather, by looking in the sky. I'll show you some people ahead who are also planting, doing farming. I'll show you when I get there. This is a very beautiful place. Let me show you. It actually looks like the savannah. Those trees, look at those trees. There is someone seated somewhere there. I don't know if you can see them. There are two other people here farming, those ones. Look at that place, yeah. So let's go. Let's keep going. I hope you guys will love this content just about nature majorly. Nature is so satisfying. Yeah, those people, those two, you can see two people farming. Yeah, I hope you also love the peaceful nature. I'm trying to find a way. I think I don't know if I should follow the pipe. Let me go this way first. Now these people are wondering what I came to do here in their farms or something. Let me see. Yeah. There is a time I ever came here a bit long ago, like I think 2 years ago, and there was a lot of grass here, a lot of it. You couldn't even sit down. So clearly this time the grass is all down. Either it was burnt or it just dried due to the drought, or maybe that time people did farming. You can see a little like peanuts, so I'm not sure about it. I think this road is confusing. You can see the stream or the river around here. Let me see this place. I hope I get to it. And to let you know, guys, I just saw a squirrel somewhere, so I don't know if I'm ready for this. If I'm ready to see another small animal again. Look at this place, full of trees. I'll let you guys listen to the sound of birds for a minute as I rest in this shade. Let me show you around quickly. That's how it is. And here we are today. I don't know if you can hear the birds. Okay, there's some wind, but I hope you can hear the birds. And then I just saw this fireplace. I don't know if there was something like a bonfire. You know, a bonfire? Maybe if people came here to roast maize or beef or something like that. Or they were burning down some stuff I could not know. I'm not sure. Look at those people. We have a few people staying that other side of. From here, not so clear. But let me find a way and show you guys the river that is around here, where these people who do farming get their water from. So back to you guys. You see here there is a farm beginning at this point right here in front of me. I've just been told that I can't trespass. Yeah, and it is actually good that I don't trespass someone's farm. So I'll walk around again to the next point where I'll be able to see the river, and then I'll show you guys. So let's go. We have napier grass growing here. That's usually for feeding cattle or livestock, for people who keep them. And then the farms continue and continue. And you have one person in front who is busy farming. Yeah. Guys, that guy I just showed you was busy farming. He's a kind man. He has shown me the way to get to the river. He just told me that I have to go all the way to where we are heading, so that I can be able to see the river. So let me see how I can get there. Then we get to see a good river. So I need to find a way. Pass here. It's an uphill, so I need more energy, bit of energy to get there. Oh my god, I don't know if I'll be able to pass here. Wow, I can't even see the top. Let me pass this place. I made it, guys. Let's have a look at where I came from. So I just came from down there where we have a man farming, and then the trees where I went to get a shade was right here. Yeah, so look at that place. So we are going to continue. Yeah, we're going to continue to walk around this place. To note, on this other side of the one we came from, we only have lots and lots of vegetation compared to the other one. And also we barely have people doing farming around this side, but we have more residential places here. So we just arrived at that river. Let me try to zoom it for you. There is water right here, right there, going down. You can see this place. Yeah, let me get closer. You all can hear the small tiny animals, some birds and some others. Yeah, so that is it for today, guys. I hope that you like my video. Remember to comment, subscribe, like and share. Let me get your feedback about this. Thank you and have a blessed time.